new listing that just hit the market in Dallas, Texas. You want to do it depending on how many guests you have.
That is the home buying market in Dallas right now. So we're going to have Amy take us on a tour of the home, and stay tuned.
And it's built by Lennar. We've got, which will take you into further into Little Elm.
Now's the time to jump in, but if you've been looking, keep going, right? And yeah, we'll post this in a little bit. Take care.
Me again, homegrown Haley, and I'm at 20.
Everybody's bowing out. There's a reason. Well, guess what? It's your opportunity to take advantage of it.